It's like I don't know what I can say. I'm becoming speechless.
Oh, prefer to use this way.
My first time. I live in Qatar.
Yeah. Hey. Hi, how are you?
This looks so nice.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Oh my god, guys.
How do you see the place? Why you laughing? You enjoy the place?
Yeah.
Okay.
During that,
We never show you guys Poli at night, so we are about to show you the.
I really appreciate it.
Yeah, we really appreciate for watching our video, guys. We just exploring at night, try to show you the place. So this is for cycle. In the other place there is no option, that's why we walk on the cycle place. This building looking amazing. Yeah. Wow, I really love the design, guys. This is so nice. And French building so big. Yeah, I would say French building so big. I would say this is Poli at night. Yes. It's amazing. So this place is amazing. So we are about to cross the road, so let me show you. Most of the time they don't let us thank you. Thank you. Okay, today they let us to cross the road. Okay, in this place they have lights, so that's good. So we have lights here. I think we can. This is so beautiful, guys. Yeah, this is so beautiful, and we just want to see that place. Let's go the other side. Let's go the other side. This is beautiful. I think we need to walk this way. This is so beautiful, guys. We are just trying to showing you how the beautiful. Yeah, isn't beautiful? I swear I love the place.